Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Or I should say, Apona kemoti achunti. I learned these words when Thank you. So I learned these words when I was traveling down to this venue. So I just asked that how to connect better with people. You see, I handle communications and media relations, and it has been my pro forma to understand people and understand how to make this channel of human interaction and use it to make this world a better place. So, last few days has been a pretty bit, I would say, incredible for you all, right? So this is my first time in Odisha, actually, and I am overwhelmed by the hospitality and the warm welcome which I have received. I want to thank Sai International, Dr. Silpi Sahu, Mr. Neelkantha, and Mr. Amitabh, and all the teachers and the organizers and the students present here for making this MUN a global success. A big round of applause for each and every one of you. You did a great job. So as we wrap up the Sai MUN 2024, I am filled with a sense of pride and hope. I have seen the level of commitment and the teamwork and diplomacy which each and every one of you have projected in the last few days. And it is, I would say, one of the most impressive things I have ever seen. I have come across 50 schools, but I must say Sai International is among the top 3. The vibrant Odissi, the dance performance was very, I would say, captivating. And the eco-anxiety presentation by Pioneers was equally impressive. It was right where it should be. But remember, this is just the beginning. The skills you have developed here today, public speaking, critical thinking, and problem solving, are the ones which you have to take forward and use it in your daily lives. After you graduate, you go out in this world, use these things which you have learned in this MUN to bring world together, to harbor a collection of, I would say, solidarity to promote oneness in the nations and promote world peace. In our office this year, I'm very happy to say that I had a chance to visit one of the awardee of Indian military peacekeepers. Her name is Radhika Sen. So I will tell you a short story what she said, basically. So she is an Indian Army personnel. She was deployed in Congo. Have you heard of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa? Yeah. So she was attached to our department known as MONUSCO, where she was doing peacekeeping efforts. And through the United Nations platform, she advocated gender sensitivity and helped the Congo women to, I would say, create an awareness among the society, to reduce the crime rate, so United Nations presents a level of different opportunities for you to work in. One is peacekeeping. Another example I can give you is about the recent UNDP program, where we are basically planting artificial reefs in Tamil Nadu. The biodiversity challenges are there across the globe. You know, right? So we are planting artificial reefs in Gulf of Munnar so that the overfishing problem can be catched. Another example, for example, our agency known as WHO is basically, have you heard of Meghalaya in Northeast? My mom is from Meghalaya. So the WHO personnel are basically aided by the state government's help, are going into different remote regions and promoting public health awareness. So when there is a landslide in Meghalaya or in any northeast state, I would say, the whole village is cut off, So the health facilities are not reaching the global, the villagers and all. So we, as all the United Nations agencies and all, WHO, WFP, we provide food, healthcare, and vaccines to these affected areas. So this is a broad way of work which we are doing right now. And there is a lot more which you can know if you read the UN News. We have our own news website, and it is also in Hindi. So you can check that out. We have our newsletters coming out pretty recently. I don't know if you have been checking. So you can go to our website and check our newsletters as well, and basically get to know more about what the UN does. It will help you understand better. I want to take this moment and basically thank late Dr. Bijaya Sahu, whose vision to basically make this MUN and connect people together was made possible by. So I thank him and remember him. Thank you.